All right, we're in Highland Park at Renaissance Place Residences. We got some Dover impulse elevators here. I like this little door frame, or this little frame detail they made over both of them. Stop. Down a G. Here's a parking garage. And over there are the offices at Renaissance Place. I've filmed those elevators before too. Hey, don't close on me. I don't know why the other one doesn't go down here. They have the room for it. Weird. Sounds like the other elevator's going up. Anyway. Huh. I guess that's the management office. Two separate call buttons. And that one left, so we'll wait. Here's the map. Interesting, they're labeled by letter, 3A, 3B, 3C, and so on. And that goes all the way up to P. If you live in 3D apartment and you have a cool name, I bet the people who live in 2D, everything in their apartment's flat. Oh, you know what? I think I just called that one. Let's see if I can call either one, see whatever comes faster. Yeah, right as I say that. Bump. I don't know why Dover chimes are sometimes just so quiet. Oh look, here comes the other one. Anyway. Smartphone 2. Renaissance Place. That's it.